Let's talk about why trying to build your own website as an entrepreneur without professional help is a recipe for disaster. I've seen many entrepreneurs struggle after attempting to create their websites without expert assistance. Their approach doesn't align with the best practices followed by successful businesses. Designing a website requires technical expertise and knowledge that most entrepreneurs lack. If you ask experienced entrepreneurs, they will advise against DIY website creation. Building a website on your own can result in a subpar user experience, hurting your brand's credibility and turning away potential customers. Relying solely on your own web development skills can lead to security vulnerabilities. While you might save money up front by not hiring a specialist, your website could be prone to hacking attempts or data breaches. By engaging a professional, you ensure that your website has robust security measures in place, protecting your business and customer data. Entrepreneurs often underestimate the importance of a well-designed and optimized website. Without professional guidance, entrepreneurs risk having a website that is difficult to navigate, slow to load, and unattractive to visitors. Investing in a specialist's expertise guarantees a visually appealing, user-friendly website that provides a seamless experience, boosting your online presence and attracting potential customers. Remember, as an entrepreneur, it's crucial to prioritize professional web development services to ensure a strong online presence and maximize your business's success.